How effective is the combination of your main product and ancillary text? Synergy was in the back of our minds for the course of the development of our ancillary texts so that they could be easily recognised as a package and part of the same film. Across the film, poster and magazine, we have opted for a green colour scheme that we thought was representative of the technical/cyber aspect of our film, which is a key part throughout. We achieved this with our magazine in particular by using the green text on technical equipment in the background, which we can see in the poster's background as well, with it making an appearance in the credits of our main trailer too. Also, the text within our trailer was green to convey to the audience our cyber theme. We then had green writing reflected on the agent's face in the magazine too. The same font for the title was used in our magazine, poster and trailer. Similarly, the use of the gun and suit as the agent's costume could be seen throughout all products. This was kept constant over all three products so that they could be easily seen as being from the same film. Our magazine also adopted the same layout as the poster, since we had one single main image of the agent on both, which made the ancillary text easily recognisable as being from the film Systems Critical. The notion of films being as part of a package was seen when we looked at Skyfall. Its Total Film magazine had a golden tint on its main title. This conformed to the overall theme of the film, which was highly professional agent with a high-tech equipment. Therefore, we tried to sustain a green theme across our products as this colour matches the cyber theme of the film, and I feel that we achieved a similar level of synergy that we saw within Skyfall. We tried to make all of our ancillary products easily identifiable to the audience, who we intended to be 15 to 24-year-olds. One way in which we did this was the use of an agent that was roughly within the age boundary. We felt that the audience would be able to identify with the person much better than they would if they were older. Therefore, we opted to go for a main character that appealed to the audience chosen. This character then appeared as the main image of our magazine and poster, so the target audience would be drawn to the ancillary products. Similarly, the agent's partner, who was a technical genius character, also made our film more attractive to a wider audience. The clothes he wore were reflective of current trends, and he shared interest with many of the people within our target audience. The fact that he was one of our main characters made him a large pull factor for the audience. He was also put onto our poster, increasing a further link between our ancillary products. This will prove effective in the marketing of this film, since the main draw factors for the film are the trailer and its ancillary products. If we have components in each of these that relate to the target audience, then it will prove very beneficial in attracting an audience to watch it. Our magazine, for example, includes more detail on Systems Critical inside. Then it will prove even more effective in the marketing of the film, since we have already captured the interest of the target audience, who will then go on to discover more about the film, increasing anticipation and hype. Mode of address was also implemented into our magazine, as we included a computer in the background that had coding on it, with our poster having a very technical theme with the coding and pixelated background. This meant we met the interests of our target audience, who may be technically savvy, making it much more identifiable and therefore helping to market the film to them. Since our secondary audience was female, we also had to cater to them as well. This was seen on the film trailer and poster, since both feature powerful female figures. For example, on the poster, we had the female antagonist appear in the background, and on the trailer, the boss was a core character. If we intend to have our ancillary products as key parts of the marketing process, then we have to make it identifiable for all parts of audience. So we feel that the inclusion of female characters in both the trailer and the poster allows the film to be marketed to our secondary audience as well. This was an idea seen on Total Film's Mad Max, since both the main male and female characters appear on the front cover. In doing so, they appeal to both audiences, and this was something we feel we have adopted into our own products.